Suzuki and she's a rescue, here today for a lovely spa treatment. We are going to clip her nails, do a nice de-shedding of the undercoat, and as well clean in between the skin folds. Stay tuned for the full transformation. Before we bath Suzuki, I like to remove the excess dead hair curry brush just to remove that dead coat before we bath and apply the de-shedding conditioner. Especially for dogs with skin flaps, to take a cotton wool ball and clean in between the folds. This area is very moist and it allows bacteria to grow if it's not cleaned regularly and if it's not dried. So just take a cotton wool with some cleaning solution, specialized cleaning solution. Just gently clean in between the skin folds. A lot of people don't think that you need to clean there, but actually you do. As you can see, it's quite dirty. She's such a good girl. So I'm doing this while I have applied some de-shedding conditioner. So I've applied it and now I'm just letting it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we're going to rinse it off and dry.
A few moments later.
Groomer's tip to speed up the drying process: use your ordinary chamois cloth that you can purchase at any building store or even like consumer store, and this just soaks up the excess moisture from the dog's coat and it will reduce your drying time significantly. I'll just demonstrate. As you can see, a lot of water came out, so this is also very good to use on the head.